Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows boot error. Your PC couldn't start properly with error code 0xc00001. This error indicates a Windows boot failure and usually appears because of corrupted system files, a damaged boot configuration, or other file corruption issues. In this tutorial, we'll go through some simple troubleshooting steps to fix the problem and get Windows booting again. Alright, when you see this recovery error screen, press F8 on your keyboard to open Startup Settings. Once you reach the screen where you need to choose an option, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options, and from here, choose Command Prompt. Now we're going to run a few commands to fix and repair the boot configuration. First, type bootrec /fixmbr and press Enter. You will see the message the operation completed successfully. Next, type bootrec /fixboot and press Enter. If you get an access is denied message, don't worry about it. Next, type bootsect /NT60 SYS and press Enter. You'll see a message saying that the target volumes have been updated with bootmgr compatible boot code. After that, type bootrec /rebuildbcd and press Enter. This command will scan all the disks for Windows installations and fix any boot-related issues it finds. Running these commands usually resolves most boot configuration errors. Now, let's fix other issues related to the Windows installation, because sometimes corrupted files can also cause boot problems. Next, type CHKDSK /F/R/C, then colon, and press Enter. This will start scanning the drive step by step from stage 1 all the way to stage 5. It will check the file system, fix errors, and repair bad sectors if it finds any. This process can take some time, so please be patient. Once all the stages are completed, finally type SFC/scan now and press Enter. This command will scan for corrupted or missing system files and repair them automatically. Let it run until it reaches 100%. Alright, after running all these commands, your system should be much more stable and ready to boot normally. Now close the command prompt window and click Continue. As you can see, Windows now loads successfully without showing the recovery error screen, so the issue is fixed in my case. If this method works for you too, that's perfect. But if it doesn't, and you're still seeing the same recovery screen, don't worry, let's move on to the next method. When the recovery screen appears, press F8 for Startup Settings. Then select Troubleshoot, go to Advanced Options, and this time choose Startup Settings. Click on Restart, and once the Startup Settings screen appears, press 9 to disable automatic restart after failure. After the restart, this should help resolve the issue. If this method also doesn't work and you're still stuck on the recovery screen, go back to Advanced Options once again, and this time select System Restore. If you have a restore point available, you can restore your system to a previous date before the error occurred. In my case, there wasn't a restore point, but if you have one, go ahead and use it. Don't worry, System Restore will not delete your personal files. It only rolls back system settings, drivers, updates, or recently installed software, so it's a safe method. I hope one of these methods helps fix your problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.